What's up? Welcome back to the Staff Shop. My name's Dylan, and today we are going to be using pallet wood to build two cool little projects that will make you look like a stud to your wife, or you can replicate them, sell them, maybe make a little bit of money. I don't know. It's up to you and whatever you want to do with them. So let's get into it. Oh, so here we have a gorgeous specimen found from the dark alleys of the back of some warehouse in Columbus, Ohio. Ooh, we're gonna make you into something beautiful. There's a few different ways you can take apart a pallet. My favorite way, cutting the nails off and having a full piece, because it leaves the nail head in the wood, looks pretty cool. This is the most least effective way, breaking it. And the other way, just go ahead, bypass all of the nails, take your circular saw, hand saw, whatever you have, and just cut the pieces off. You'll have shorter pieces, but you won't have to process any nails. You'll just be able to pick them up, start building. So this is probably my second favorite way to do it. I like the nail heads. They look cool, as long as you don't plan on playing on them. All right, for our first project, you're gonna need one whole pallet right here. So we're just gonna bloop, put that sucker down. That's what we're doing. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to cut off the whole bottom of this pallet. Just right there. We want 2 rungs up, 1 on the bottom. So we're going to cut it right there, right there. All right, let's go. It is so hot in here. I got the door closed because I don't want bugs in here, but I don't have AC. If I have the fan on, then you guys hear the fan. It's just terrible. But anyways, check it out. Look what we got. We've got spiders. We got dead spiders in there. We've got a new mail holder. We just need to add a bottom, and we can do another board on the back if we wanted to. But I think just a bottom, a quick sand, maybe a stain. It's up to you. And you got a mail holder. I mean, how simple is this? All you do is cut a pallet up, add a piece of wood. Done. Boom! Look at you. Look how magical you are. Look at this. Hang it up however you want. Drill a hole, toss some screws in here, put it on the wall. Give it a sand, give it a stain, give it a paint, whatever you want. That's your first pallet project. Look how nice that turned out. But this is super easy. This is like the most basic beginner, freest way. If you can't afford nails, pull these nails out, straighten them out, pound them in here. I use these little finished nails. They're cheap. It's like $3 for a box of 100 of them. They kind of suck, but hey, when you're on a budget, they're perfect. All right, next one. One super simple pallet project done. Let's do the next one. Before we do that, please like and subscribe, because I got tons of this stuff. We're going from beginner to professional. Right now, we're just dipping our toe in the water. This one might be simpler than the mail holder. It's just a little bit more creative. So you're going to take 3 of your longer pieces and just put them next to each other. Then you're going to take 2 of your nicer pieces of wood here, and we're just going to put it like that. And then we're going to nail this up now. So I'm going to grab some of my nails so everybody just set them. There's some. I'm going to nail it straight tonight. Don't nail it to your workbench like I just did. Just like that. You know what will help? Not nailing it. The second part of it is we're going to put another board right underneath it. Just like this. So we're going to be sandwiching these, and these are going to be identical, just like this. You want the tops to be the same size, same height, and tight, close together, just like this. So what we're trying to produce, so we got this, is this right here. Poof, look at this. I made this years ago. My wife painted it. Snowman, it was white and brown with a little patch on it. Very cute. And you can make this as small or as big as you want. Pallet wood. Then, look at that. Snowman. We've had this for a few years. Time to make another one. Got it right here. Paint this black, make it look good. And you can pump these out. You got Snowman, Scarecrow. Done. Look at that, seasonal project. People eat these things up. It's the simplest thing. And if you love painting, it's your perfect time to paint. Or make your wife do it. Because women love making stuff. Usually. I don't know, they might. But there you go. Check it out. So there's 2 easy projects for you. The Snowman Scarecrow decorish holiday sign, and your fancy, cool little mail holder that is rustic and so simple. There you have it. Your cool 2 little pallet projects that you did for free. If not, just a couple bucks and nails, whatever, you know, super simple, use hand tools. I would love to hear what you guys want to see. Please put in the comments, builds, tools, reviews, what, you know, Q&A, whatever you guys want to know, let me know, and I'll make it happen for you. So, please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.